गणपति अथर्व शीर्षोपनिषद और पॉपुलरली नोन एज श्री गणपति और श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धस्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यम् ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवस्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्त्वो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यम् त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णु त्वं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरो गणादि पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिस्तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितम् तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपम् गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादसन्धानं सगुंहिता संधिः सैषा गणेश विद्या गणक ऋषिः निश्चित गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता। ओम गं गणपतये नमः। ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्. Now from ninth mantra. Bimlama, I want to see you. I want to see your face. Shreyasi, I want to see your face. Arunamma, I want to see your face. Ninth mantra. Ekadantam chaturhastam. Ekadantam chaturhastam. Pasamankushadharinam. Pasamankushadharinam. एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणम्. एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणम्. रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्. रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्. बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजा. बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजम्. रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजम्.
बस उसका सादा सामान.
रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजम्. रक्तं लम्बोदरम्. रक्तं लम्बोदरम्. शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससम्. शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससम्. Ninth mantra. Vimalamma, have you got it? Ganapati Atharvasisham. Yes, yes. Thank you. Shannon, have you got it? Okay. No? I'm so sorry. Okay, okay, just listen. Then also it will be wonderful. Shreyasi, please open up your video. Arunamma, please try to open up your video. Raktam lambodaram surpakarnakam raktavasasam. Raktam lambodaram surpakarnakam raktavasasam. Raktagandhanuliptangam. Raktagandhanuliptangam. Raktapushpais supujitam. Raktapushpais supujitam. Here after pushpai, visarga is there. And after that supujitam. So visarga will be transformed into sakara. Raktagandhanuliptangam raktapushpais supujitam. Raktagandhanuliptangam raktapushpais supujitam. Bhaktanukampinam devam. Bhaktanukampinam devam. Jagatkaranamachyutam. Jagatkaranamachyutam. भक्तानुकंपिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् param. After visarga there is pa, so fakara will be there. Prakriteः purushat param. So once more, bhaktanukampinam devam jagatkaranamachyutam आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्याद्यो प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम्. Clear? Now एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरम्. So who does meditation of Lord Ganesha every day, he becomes Yogi Shrestha, he become a great yogi. Okay. Namo Vratapataye. No, see, this is the beauty of that mantra. 10th, mantra 10th. There is nothing else. Okay. Namo Vratapataye, Namo Ganapataye. Namah Pramathapataye Namaste Stu Lambodaraye Kadantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Varamurtaye Namaha. Slowly, slowly. Namo Vratapataye Namo Ganapataye Namah Pramathapataye Namaste Stu Lambodarayaika Dantaya Lambodarayaika Dantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Varadamurtaye Namaha. Together. Om Vratapataye Namo Namo Vratapataye. Namo Vatapataye Namo Ganapataye Namah Pramathapataye Namaste Stulambodaraye Kadantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Varadamurtaye Namaha. Eleventh. Etadatharva, you please chant in that way. Etadatharva shirasham yodhite Etadatarvasirisham Etadatarvasirisham Yodhite Sabrahma Bhuyaya Kalpate Sabrahma Bhuyaya Kalpate Sasarva Vignairna Sasarva Vignairna Badhyate Badhyate Sasarvatra Sukhame Dhate Sasarvatra Sukhame Dhate Sapancha Mahapapaat Pramuchyate Sapancha Mahapapaat Pramuchyate. We are having 5 dates. Dates to our parents, dates to the gods and goddesses, Pitririn, Devarin, dates to our sages, Rishirin, dates to our earth, and all the other being, that is called Bhutarin, and another is Nrinin, the date towards our king. So now most of the people, or I don't know, 30% of the people in India pay their taxes. 70% don't, or I don't know, maybe more nowadays, new government. So we are free from now the dates to our king. But other 4 dates are there. Yes, I know you pay the tax. Amma, I know. And all other government servants or retired, they have to pay. And but Pitririn, the dates towards the ancestors, we are having, it continues. Then dates for our sages, for whom we got Upanishads and everything else. Then Bhutarin, every day we are benefited by the nature, by the beings. If the cow stop milking, we won't get the milk. If trees stop giving fruit and leaves, we can't survive. So we are indebted to the nature. In that way, Pancharin. So here it is telling, what is the mantra? Sapancha Mahapapaat Pramuchyate. Here it's a beauty that telling, if anyone studies or read Ganapati Atharvasisam regular, he will be free from all dates. Actually, don't take it in literal way that we will not pay taxes, only we will chant Ganapati Atharvasisam and we will be free from the dates. It's not like that. Actually, for chanting every day, knowing the meaning, he becomes so honest, he clears everything else. So he is free from all sins. Okay, now, सायमधियानो सायमधियानो दिवसकृतं papam nashayati. What about the papa? Since we do day and night, we will be free from that. Prataradhiyano ratrikritam papam nashayati. Ratrikritam papam nashayati. Prataradhiyano ratrikritam papam nashayati. Sayam pratah prayunjano Sayam pratah prayunjano papo bhavati. Papo bhavati means sins happen. So not like that. Papaha apapaha bhavati. The sin converts into merits. That is papo bhavati. Papo bhavati. Sarvatradhiyano pavigno bhavati. Sarvatradhiyano pavigno bhavati. Dharmartha kama moksham cha vindati. Dharmartha kama moksham cha vindati. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Everything you will get. Everything you will get. Okay. So, dharmartha kama moksham cha vindati. Idam atharva shirsham. Idam atharva shirsham shishyaya nadeyam. Idam atharva shirsham shishyaya nadeyam. See, idam atharva shirsham ashishyaya nadeyam. Who is not your student, who has not taken refuge unto you, who don't believe in you, who don't believe in your words, who don't believe in scriptures, don't teach him or her. Ashishya nadeyam. Yo yadi mohat asyati yayadi mohat dasyati sapapiyan bhavati. It's a sin to get deluded and to disbelieve in Lord Ganapati. Sahasravartanadyam yam kamamadhite tantamanena sadhayet. Together. Etadatharva shirsham yodhite sabrambha bhuyaya kalpate sasarva vignaye सर्वविघ्नैर्न बाध्यते स सर्वत्र सुखमेधते स पञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते सायमधियानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति प्रातरधियानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायं प्रातः प्रयुञ्जानो पापो पापो भवति सर्वत्राधियानोपविघ्नो भवति धर्मार्थकाममोक्ष च विन्दति इदमथर्वशीर्षमशिष्याय न ध्येयम् यो यदि मोहात् दास्यति स पापीयान् भवति स पापीयान् भवति सहस्रावर्तनाद्यं यं काममधीते तं तमनेन साधयेत्. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Sandhya Amma and Nikita, any doubt? Shannon, did you enjoy it today?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Thank you.
সুস্মিতা আম্মা ভালো লেগেছে?
খুব ভালো লেগেছে, তবে I have got a question.
Yes.
These debits you said, the to government, to Raja we are paying by paying the tax. The other debits, how do we clear?
By chanting Ganapati Atharva Sirsam every day. That is told.
By that we can clear the other for debits.
In
They-
Vedanta class, you please ask me.
Yes. Okay.
So many ways.
Okay.
It is one of them.
Okay. Okay.
It is to
Understood.
glorify the teaching. It is to focusing the Ganapati Atharva Sirsam and see marketing of the subject. Rishis were also expert in that. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
So after that, today again we will meet on Tuesday. Sandhya ji,
Okay.
any problem? Headache?
Yes, Swamiji.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll pray for you.
Thank you.
Please sip hot water. Please sip hot water. Please. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. You can ask Usha Amma. She is a doctor. She is MD. So you can ask her about your physical problem. So she can guide you, help you. Okay. She is a renowned practitioner. Now she has left. And she is an MD. So she can help you. Hari Om. Hari Om.